Hello, this is Heather Kalea with Open Mind Healing. I'd like to just do a few moments to help you clear any blocks and allow an activation of light to come into your soul and into your mind today. I'd like to offer this for free today so that you can see how effective this work is and how I can help you open up your channels to receive more information, more gifts, and more abundance. When you're ready, sit comfortably or lie comfortably and maybe put on some soft music or something in the background. Set an intention to be relaxed now. Take a deep breath. And allow the body to just relax. From the top of your head, I ask you to open up your crown chakra. I ask you to open up your mind and allow a golden light to flow down your neck, through the back of your neck, all the way down your spine, becoming more and more relaxed with every breath. Feel the tensions of the day just melting and floating away. Imagine your body is becoming light. As this golden light comes down your spine, allow it to come through the back of your legs, all the way down your knees, into your feet, and allowing any debris of the day, or maybe your life, to just sift into Mother Earth. As Mother Earth receives you and your energy, she draws out the toxins, the toxic thoughts, the energies that are attached to you at this moment. Let her in and let her send you healing light back up. Now this light is pure white light, and it blends in with the golden light all the way back up to the top of your head. And make a conscious decision that you are receiving the light right now. Make a conscious decision that you are going to let go right now. Call in the guardians and the angels and any assistants on Makua that want to be with you now, supporting your energy and supporting you in this journey of life. And once your body is relaxed, I'd like you to close your eyes and use a visualization technique. With your eyes closed, make a figure 8 with the motion of your eyes. Now imagine the one thing at this moment that's affecting your life and project it in front of you. I'm only going to work on one thing today. That one thing that seems to be affecting you in every way, project it in front. Continuing to do the figure 8. I want you to think of something that has made you so completely happy that you cannot imagine being any happier. And I ask you to drag that happiness like you would from a mouse in a computer. Drag that happiness and that light and seal it in this bubble. Let the happiness surround this problem. Continuing to do the figure 8. Take a couple deep breaths and hold that joy and that happiness in your heart right now. And start spinning it faster and faster in your heart and in front of you. Spin it until it expands beyond the room, continuing to send it and flood it with light. The light is spinning in front of you now. This problem is spinning. This joy is spinning. The joy and happiness are consuming this problem. Feel that light spinning through the front and back of your chest, and continue to expand it out beyond the planet, and asking the central sun to give you even more of this light and this energy. You will see that this problem is no longer a problem. Continue to breathe. Now, as you release this problem, you only are left with happiness and joy and light. If you have any aches and pains, ask the light to spin this happiness and joy into that area of your body right now. Ask it to receive the light, to receive the healing. Now pull your energy back, all the way back into your heart, and hold your heart. Take a deep breath. And just feel how relaxed you are. Feel how wonderful this is. Just enjoy this feeling for a moment. Now, you can do that with all your problems, and we can do deeper techniques to really clear any blocked energy or any thoughts or any wounds that are in your soul vibration. When you're ready, you may open your eyes. And enjoy this feeling and this problem that is now gone. Thank you. This is Heather Kalea. Namaste.